Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the text before add to cart in secondary language on Shopify. So, when using a multilingual setup on Shopify, the text before the add to cart button may not display properly in secondary language. This issue is usually related to missing translations or incorrect theme settings in your Shopify store. And here's how to resolve it step by step. Step 1 is checking and updating the translations. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now, in this section, navigate to languages. Now, navigate to your store's language settings and click edit next to your secondary language. So I haven't added any secondary language, that's why you're not able to see it here. But if you'll have added it, you will see the edit button next to your secondary language. Click on that edit button, then search for add to cart and related text. Then use the search bar to find the text fields for add to cart or any text that appears before it. Now, ensure that the text is properly translated into secondary language and save the changes. Once updated, save your store's translations and test the store. Now, step 2 is editing theme language file. So, go to your online store, navigate to themes and click on the three-dotted icon and click on edit code. Now, open the locals folder in your theme file. So type in locals. After opening the locals folder, select the secondary language file. For example, if your secondary language is French, open fr.json. Now, search for the text before add to cart button. So you can use the browser search function, that is CTRL plus F on your keyboard. After you press CTRL plus F on your keyboard to locate the text that appears before the button, you can type in add to cart and it will search up for that specific phrase and you can locate the text that appears before the button and update or correct the text in this file. Then save the file and preview the store. Save your changes and check if the issue is resolved. Now, step 3 is adjusting theme code if necessary. So if the issue persists, it may be caused by hard-coded text in your theme. You can search for how to adjust the theme code in this situation and solve your problem. Now, step 4 is verify the translation app settings. So if you're using a translation app, example, Wedgelot or Langify, open the app's dashboard, then navigate to the section that manages translations for buttons and text, then search for the text that is add to cart button in the app interface and update the translation. Correct or add the missing translation, save your changes and refresh your store to check. Now, step 5 is clearing browser cache and cookies. You can click on three-dotted icon at the top right of your store, then click on settings. Now, choose privacy and search services, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear, make sure that you have selected cookies and other site data and click on clear now. And that will instantly fix your problem. Now, step 6 is testing on both languages. So, you can preview your store in the primary and secondary language. Test the text in various products to ensure consistency. Now, fixing text before the add to cart button in a secondary language on Shopify involves updating translations in language settings, themes files, or translation apps. And by following these steps, you can ensure your multilingual store provides a seamless shopping experience for all customers. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.